At this point, I ran my simulation, I took my test, and it works great. So I got to display if you score 5 or above, it says you're not a witch, carry on. If not, it says vile witch, thou shalt be punished. But just displaying text is kind of boring. So I want to add some pictures in here depending on how well on how you score. So I'm just going to minimize Xcode and I'm going to bring up Safari, and I already have a Google image search in here. This is where you can kind of get creative. I want to do a thumbs up if you're not a witch, thumbs down if you're a witch, but you can do something else. You can take your own photos. You could find something off of Google Images, but I just did a search for thumbs up, and I found this picture that I really like of Tom Cruise here from Top Gun. So I'm just going to add that. Now I'm going to do a thumbs down search, and yeah, I got to get this dude right here. Alright, so I got both of those saved to my desktop. I do want to rename these, so let's rename them, and we'll call this one thumbs up. Again, I'm doing camel case, and this one I'm going to rename thumbs down. Okay. Let's bring Xcode back up, and I need to add both these photos, so I'm going to click on thumbs up. I'm just going to drag it where it says assets, X cassettes here. I'm going to just drag that underneath and then finish, and there's that thumbs up image, and below that I'm just going to add the thumbs down. Okay. So I got both those images in, and now it's time to add them to my code. So I'm going to go back to this action for the verdict button, where it said if scoreboard is greater than 5, then display the text you are not a witch. So below that, I'm going to say my image display dot image equals, and this is going to be a UI image, and then I'm going to add parentheses here, named. Now this is a string. I have to, I'm going to put this in quotes, and then we're going to start with thumbs up, which it autofilled for me there. And close it. I tell you what, even though it autofilled, just to be safe, I'm going to actually just type that in, including the JPEG. There we go. Oh, I need to close my quotes. And then below that, same thing, image display dot image equals, this is going to be a UI image, and my parentheses, named, and this was thumbs down. Oops, and I forgot to put in my quotation. And just like that. So now at this point, I'm ready to test things out in the simulator. All right, so let's take my test. So yes, frequently, no, read it, Google a solution. Here we go, you're not a witch, carry on. And then if I would quit the simulation, and run it again, this time fail, I bet I'd get that thumbs down for the last one. So go ahead, complete that, and give it a test and make sure that it works okay.